Alright, so the first step is you're going to go through and you're just going to remove the top box for the massage chair. You ready, Clint? Yep. Then you're going to set it off to the side. And then what you can do next, you can just go through, remove the plastic. Alright, and then what we're going to do next is we're actually going to lift the chair up. And if you're with one person, what you can do is you can just go through and break the edges of this and then just slowly slide the box off. But what we're going to do right here is we're just going to lift up the back of the chair, set it off to the side. There we go. Thank you, sir. Alright, so the power cord and all of the screws that go through to assemble for your massage chair are going to be located taped inside at the very top of the box. So all you have to do is just go inside, rip it off, and it's good to go. The remote is actually, and this is completely new to a lot of our different models of our chairs, is that this remote is actually attached into the arm panel. And now what we're going to do now, we're just going to take it out, we're just going to go through and start assembling the chair. You want to take one arm panel at a time? Let's go. I'll slide this one off this side. It's actually going to be really, really easy for anybody to go through and assemble. So you can instantly tell from how the arm goes in right here, how you can actually put this together. So this is actually going to be the left side for this massage chair. So you're going to see this whole rope right here. All you have to do is pull on it, and it'll come right off. Alright, so one of the most important steps in your assembly process is for you to feed these two wires, right? You have one that controls the air for your arm panel, another one that controls the electric controls for your remote control. Alright, so we're going to go through and we're going to take this electrical, we're going to take this air hose, and we're going to try to feed it through right here to this hole right here. Once we have it fed through, all we have to do is put these little bars, these little holder bars, we're going to slide it in right there. And it's actually going to slide perfectly in, so if you didn't do it correctly, you'll know. Once it's like this, you'll know it's nice and secure. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go through and connect the electrical. We're also going to connect the air hose for this massage chair. So the electrical is going to go up top. You're going to loop it in, and then you're just going to bend it over, and you're just going to connect it. Then the air hose is going to go right through right here. You can push a little bit of the extra back, and you're just going to slide these two in until it's connected. And it's going to be secure right here, and it's going to be secure right here. Then we're going to grab the panel, which is on top of the chair. We're going to slide it in like this, right? And if you need to get back into it, you can use a butter knife. Pop this part off, but then to put it on, all you need to do is go like this. And that's good to go. So with the footrest, we're going to go through, we're going to open it up, we're slowly going to tilt it upside down. Then what you can do is open it like that. And then what we're going to do is Clinton's going to grab it. I'm going to take these two pins right here. We're just going to go through and slide them into the footrest.
So the footrest will connect to the pins on the chair. There's a hole here, and then the pins on the chair are right here and right here. So follow us as we put it on.
Yep.
Okay, that's it.
Now that it's down, we just take these little pins right here. And you make sure you put them with this side up first. You go like this, and you slide it in. And reconnect this right here. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
I can do zippers very well. Yep, that's what I'm doing. And we're just gonna go through. Just zip this up. Alright, now we gotta go through and we have to actually go under the chair. Colleen, can you hold this please? We're gonna go under. And then we're gonna go through and we're gonna attach the air hose first.
There.
Yeah.
Now find the arrow on there. There it goes. To get that connector, there's 2 arrows on the thing, one right here and one right there. Just line those up and it'll go right in.
Alright. Now put this down. Then we're gonna take the power. We're gonna go through and connect the power. There we go.